guys. I'm gonna do a slime video today. I'll be right back. I just need to check.
Honey, what are you up to? I'm perfecting the Nimbus Flare. I get a scientific analysis of Johnny's on-air voice. This device registers my voice as I speak. See, to announce like Nimbus, you gotta hit the red, then bring it on down orange, then up to red again, then way on down to green. I have no idea what goes on in that little head of yours, but I am honored to witness what comes out. So, what's on the menu tonight, Mrs. Rooney? Well, Mr. Nimbus, your audience might be interested to know.
Hi. Hey, here. Here's a slime. I know I've shown you this a couple times, but here's a thing. This is my slime.
I'm having trouble focusing. I just need something to block out all my distractions. You know, like sunglasses or like a blindfold or blackout curtains to block the sun that shines in Holden's eyes. Alright, this should do it.
Yeah, so that's my slime. So that's all for today. I'm not sure I need to do clips, so I'm gonna show you something else. So, bye. Please subscribe, hit the notifications, like, and hit the bell. Bye, guys. Phoebe, say bye. Phoebe, say bye.
Bye!
She's just working out a slime, so bye.